Hey everyone, this is Chase from Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Chain Guide Block 2.0 coming from Acerbis. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at a product that I use personally on my 2019 KX450, and that is a Chain Guide Block 2.0 coming from Acerbis. Does not matter what bike you have, a chain guide and your chain slider, it's a wear item. They are going to wear out over time, so it's very important that you inspect those periodically, because here's what can happen. If your chain slider or your chain guide, it starts to wear too much, well, your chain's going to wear through it, and it can eventually get to your swing arm, or it can get to the aluminum on your stock chain guide, and that can damage your chain. That's something that you don't want. So make sure you're inspecting that, make sure it's not getting too worn out. But if that is the case and it's time to upgrade and change it, well, here's a great option. There's a couple features that I really like about this chain guide. So first up is the construction. So this is 100% nylon. You can see a lot of cool colorways to choose from depending on the bike color that you have. They have a nice carbon fiber look to it on the outside as well, so I think it just gives a cool look to your bike. But being that it's 100% nylon, really good durability. It's going to have more durability than just your stock chain guide and also your chain slider. But also, this is much more resistant to impact, so it's not going to bend like the aluminum chain guide would on most bikes. So you're going to get great durability, a lot of longevity with the life. Also, a feature that I really like is this wear piece here. So this is going to install right here on the bottom. What's nice about this, you can put this on without removing your chain, so it's very simple to do. It's going to come with all the hardware that you're going to need for install. But once you put it on, you can see that the screws actually mount vertically. So what's nice about those mounting vertically is that as this piece, because this is going to wear down eventually, as this wears, you're not going to eventually get to those screws that are going to go horizontally, which could potentially damage your chain. So by having those vertically, something that you just don't have to worry about. And also, this piece is replaceable by itself. So if you wear through the slider on the chain guide, you can just take these screws out, buy a replacement slide or insert, and then install it. You're good to go. It's all freshened up. So those are the features that I really do like about this. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that after I installed mine, something I noticed right away was it's a little bit noisy. So it's going to be louder than your stock chain guide. So if you put this on and you're rolling your bike and you feel like your chain's making a lot of noise, that is okay. That is normal. It's going to be a little bit noisy, but as it wears in, that noise does go away. So just be patient, give a little bit of time, and you are going to be good to go. Now keep in mind, you can buy the chain guide by itself. Remember, you can get the insert separate after they do wear out. And also the chain slider, you can buy that separately, or we have these available as kits. So if you want to get both at the exact same time, we have kits that come with the new chain guide as well as a chain slider. If you do have any other questions or comments about this, leave those below. We'll get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, you want to see more just like it, make sure to get subscribed to our YouTube channel. These are bike specific, so when you're picking yours up, enter the make, the model, and the year to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.